Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be talking about how you can find out if a product is trending or not, or like whether or not you should sell it. And for some reason, not a lot of people are talking about this technique. And when I started out a few months ago, I didn't really know whether or not I should sell the product because I didn't know if it was trending. So let's just say you find a product. For this example, I'm just going to use this moon lamp, which I got my first sale from a while back, like 3 months ago, whatever. You guys can check the video. But so it has 23,000 orders, right? So you want to know like whether or not this product is trending or it died down. So it is possible that they got most of their orders back in 2017 and now they barely get any orders. And if they barely get any orders now, then that means the product is not trending and you should not sell it. So I'm gonna be using this product as an example. This has a lot of orders, so right away you shouldn't go for this product because it has too many orders. But I'm just gonna use it for the example. So what you're gonna do is come down here, and once you come down all the way, you can see transaction history. Now this transaction history helps you out a lot. So first of all, you can see when people ordered the product and also where did they order it from. So I'll show you guys one product that most of its sales were from US, and that's a really good sign. That means that the product is actually being dropshipped, because most dropshippers market it to US buyers. So if it has a lot of US flags over here, then that means the product is being dropshipped and is trending. Now the way to tell that if it's trending or not is to come here, and as you guys can see the date and the time. Right now 12 June 7 p.m. So what you do from here is go to this page, 7 page, and it already dropped down to 10 June. So right away you know this is not a good product, because usually if a product is trending and is getting a lot of sales, usually you can just go on and on to like 16, 19, 22, and you'll still be at 10 June or like 11 June for this example. But as you guys saw, once I went to the 7th page, it already dropped down and it's on 10 June instead of 12 June. Hopefully I'm making sense here. But yeah, so that shows that this product is not selling a lot. You can check it if you go back. So this is 11 June. 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 4 page, and the 5th page. It only took 5 pages, and 5 pages have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 5 is 40. So it only sold 40 units in one day, which is not good, considering this has like 23,000 orders. So like a few months back when I looked at this product, it was getting like I'd say like 20 pages of orders, and it only had like 7,000 orders or like 9,000 orders, which is still pretty high, but again, I'm just using it as an example. So it has like 20 pages of orders, and that's a pretty good number. So if every day it's getting like 20 pages of orders, then that means that product is trending and is doing good. Of course, it depends on how many total orders it has. So let's just say it has 23,000 orders, right? And you go down and it has like about 10 pages of orders, then that's pretty normal. It's not trending, but it's also not going down. So again, I wouldn't sell it because it's too saturated, and 10 pages of orders compared to like the 20,000 total orders is pretty average. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's a better example of what I was talking about. So let's just take this charcoal teeth whitener. Once you come down, you can press 7 pages. So it's still on 12 June, 13, 16, 19, 22. So this is what I'm talking about. This might seem impressive, but again, you have to look at the total orders. So it has 62,000 orders, so this is not a big deal. But let's just say this product has like 7,000 orders, and the amount of units sold in one day was to like page 36 or like 30 or whatever, 25, then that's pretty impressive, and that shows you that most of the orders came in the last few days or like last few weeks, and that shows you guys that this product is trending. And like I showed you guys, this is a bad product because even though it has a lot of orders, it didn't have a lot of sales in one day. and that shows you guys this product has died down, and it was once trending but now it's not. But if you find a product, obviously I don't have a product example because otherwise I would be using it, so I have to use this as an example. But let's just say this product had 7,000 orders total, and you went up to 25 pages, then that shows you that most of the orders are coming in the past few days, and the product is trending and you can sell it. And again, if it has like a lot of US flags or like main English speaking flags, then that's also a really good sign. It's not necessary, but it shows you that this product is being dropshipped, because dropshippers target US audience and like English speaking audience. So hopefully you guys found a lot of value from this. I honestly couldn't find it anywhere, and it's super helpful when doing your product research. You can easily find out if a product is trending. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, let's try to go for 5 likes, and subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers. And leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions or suggestions. And yeah guys, peace.